الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسولنا محمد سيد الأولين والآخرين. مدد يا رسول الله، مدد يا سادات أصحاب رسول الله، مدد يا شيخنا دستور مولانا شيخ الله فاز داستان شيخ محمد ناظر حقاني، مدد طريقتنا الصحبة والخير في الجميع. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
إنما المؤمنون إخوة فأصلحوا بين أخويكم واتقوا الله لعلكم تفلحون. الله عز وجل.
إنما المؤمنون إخوة فأصلحوا بين أخويكم واتقوا الله لعلكم تفلحون. Allah Azza wa Jalla states that mu'mins, believers, are brothers. If there are disagreements amongst them, then lift that disagreement and make them get closer to each other. Let them make up. Now, ever since the time of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, they've always made fitna amongst Muslims and sowed the seeds of discord so that Muslims would fall weak and not unite, because there is strength in unity. Of course, Allah Azza wa Jalla, glorious and exalted is He, be He, as He created people in different forms and shapes, their understanding is also different. And that difference should not be a means for disagreement, but as long as everybody is on the way of Allah, everybody has a different nature. It should be used not for animosity against each other. This only weakens Muslims and Islam. It only makes Shaitan happy and makes Shaitan's soldiers, those who are with Shaitan, happy. It says that mu'mins are ikhwan, brothers. They are brothers, so get along well together. Don't be cross with each other, says Allah Azza wa Jalla. In the end, when you are together, you would be obeying Allah's commands, and Allah would give you strength and barakah, blessing, and nobody would be able to stand in front of you. However, if you fall weak, they can use you as they like. They would not give you value, they would not give you importance. To be with them and be an enemy towards Muslims, don't think that's going to make you gain anything. Be with Allah, be with those who love Allah. To do good works is the command of Allah. And while you're trying to do good things, there are many people who are going to try to stop you from doing it. When it comes to doing evil, people can do bad things. They say, yeah, we commit sins and it's not difficult. Why should it be difficult? There's nothing that stops you from it. There's no ego or shaitan that stops you from doing it. On the contrary, the ego and shaitan get happier. However, when you try to do something good, it's hard. It is easy to ruin something, but hard to fix it. So before things get ruined, people should think. We need to obey Allah's commandments. We need to be together. We need to be united. It could be someone from a different Tariqa or a different madhab, school of thought, or from a different nationality. Those are differences. But as long as you are Muslims and they are saying they are Muslims and they are saying La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah, they can be as they like. You should not have animosity towards them. That is not right. May Allah give us unity and give strength to our faith, to our iman.
هذا أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إن الذين يبايعونك إنما يبايعون الله يد الله فوق أيديهم فمن نكث فإنما ينكث على نفسه ومن أوفى بما عاهد عليه الله فسيؤتيه أجرا عظيما. رضينا بالله ربنا وبالإسلام دينا وسيدنا محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم نبيا لنا ورسولا. سيدنا شيخ عبد الله فعز حسان شيخ محمد ناظم حقاني شيخا لنا ومرشدا والله على ما نقول وكيل. الله 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 حق. الله 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 حق. الله 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 حق. حسبنا الله ونعم الوكيل. نعم المولى ونعم النصير. غفرانك ربنا وإليك المصير. الفاتحة.